the ChanandTan kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemongrass deep fried chicken. Deep fried chicken is ideal for Nasi Lemak. Hey you! Yes, you! If you enjoy watching the ChanandTan kitchen, please press subscribe and then hit the bell icon. The ingredients are 4 stalks of lemongrass, 1 large onion, 2 eggs, some ginger. Here I got a variety of spices, chili powder, you can add as much as you like, fennel, coriander powder, turmeric, salt and brown sugar. I have 1 kilogram of chicken thighs, some tapioca starch flour, corn flour and oil. First, I'm going to debone the chicken thighs. It makes it a lot easier to cook. It's quite easy to debone chicken thighs if you have a sharp knife. It's done. I'm going to show you another piece. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is basically use a cleaver. If you don't have a cleaver, you can just use a knife. There's additional fat. I'm going to take it off. Just gently smash it so that it makes it a lot easier to cook, and it actually makes the chicken a lot more tender as well. So as you can see, makes it a lot larger than the one that hasn't been smashed. So do the same, and I'll do the rest with the other chicken. Next, I'm going to prepare the lemongrass. And chop off the hardest bit at the bottom base. So chop it away. So that one is throw it away, and then I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces, and then I'll put it into the blitzer or the mixer. And I've got a piece of ginger here. Cut it into smaller pieces. Some onions. Okay, now I'm going to put them into the blitzer. Now I'm going to put in all the onion, ginger and the lemongrass all in here. Here I'm going to add some cooking oil, about a good 2 tablespoons. And this is really ready to be blitzed. Well, the mixture is ready, so I'm going to put it into my take this out. In here, I'm going to add 2 eggs. The rest of the spices. Salt, sugar, chili powder, and fennel. Give it a good mix. If it's a bit dry, you can always add a bit of water, which I'll probably do. And to make the skin crispy, what I'll do is basically add a big tablespoon of corn flour and a big tablespoon of tapioca flour. And give it a mix. Like I said, if it's too dry, add some water, which I will. Looking at it, it's actually not bad at all. I don't need to add any water. Now I will add the chicken. As you can see, the chicken thighs. It's quite huge now because I've flattened it using my cleaver. Now this is completely mixed. Look at the mix. It's lovely. Smell beautiful of lemongrass, the onion and all the spices. It's amazing. It smells beautiful. Now just season the chicken. Mix them all in. Look at all the lovely spices has been coated all over the chicken. You need to leave this chicken overnight, preferably overnight. If you are in a hurry, at least put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours to let the chicken infuse all these beautiful spices and herbs into the chicken. Okay, the chicken has been in the fridge for overnight. I've taken it out. Look how all the herbs are all attached to the chicken. It will be wonderful and delicious. So I'm going to deep fry. The oil is hot, as you can see, it's bubbling nicely away. Be very careful when you fry the chicken. It could be splattering everywhere if there's water. I will probably fry it about 2-3 minutes on each side, so it will be nice and crispy and golden. So it's bubbling nicely away.
Once the oil is really hot, do you turn the temperature down or do you keep the oil on full blast?
No, I'll turn it on medium heat. You don't want it to be on a low heat. So you want it on medium heat so that the chicken will remain crispy.
Beautiful color coming.
Yep. If you have any residue, you can always use a tea strainer to get rid of all the bits. So this is a good way of getting all the bits off the cooking oil, from the cooking oil. Okay, the chicken is cooked. Look at its beautiful color. Look at the crispiness of the skin. I'm going to put it on the strainer so that it will strain all the oil out from the chicken. Look at all the herbs that's attached to the skin. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at this beautiful fried chicken. Okay, now what you can do is to strain the residue from the cooking oil so that the next batch of the cooking of the chicken is cooked. If you prefer your chicken even more crispy, I got some corn flour here, and I'm going to dip it on some corn flour. And in it goes. Okay, the chicken is now ready. Look at the crispiness on the outside with the extra additional corn flour. It smells lovely. All the lemongrass smell is amazing. To accompany our chicken, deep fried chicken, I have some potato. This is par cook. You can actually cook it in the microwave for 3 minutes. You don't want it too long. 3 minutes, and then you cut it, let it cool down, and then you cut it. This will make the skin crispy.
They're lovely chips, aren't they?
They are lovely chips as well. Yeah, it will make it crispy on the outside and still soft on the inside. So this is the trick if you want to cook a good deep fried chips. Look at this deep fried potato. Look, it's crisping on the outside now. It's cooking very quickly. Look, it's beautiful. Look, and the color is getting golden brown. These are deep fried lemongrass chicken, one with additional corn flour. It makes it more crispy, as you can hear. And this is without. You can see all the herbs all stuck outside the chicken. This will be a complement for Nasi Lemak, if you like Nasi Lemak. And I have English fries. So today I'm going to have lemongrass chicken with French fries.